In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious picnic salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of cooked pizza, half a cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayonnaise, cooked bacon, 3 green onions, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of cubed cheese, and 5 small pickles. In a bowl, add in the mayonnaise, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, salt, and pepper, and mix until completely combined. Cut the green onions into small pieces. Add to the sauce mixture. Cut the ends off of the pickles and slice thinly. Add to the sauce mixture. Cut the tomato into quarters. Add them to the sauce mixture. Cut the bacon into small pieces. Add to the sauce mixture. Use a spatula to mix everything together until it's completely coated. Add in the cheese cubes and mix well. Add the pasta and mix until they're completely coated. Cover with plastic wrap. Place in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Once out of the fridge, mix again. Our picnic pasta is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.